Latest enhancement of Cryotos. In the latest enhancement, we could mention the holidays in our organizations. So in the settings page, you could see holiday, where you could mention the public holidays. Like in our company, 1st and 2nd of every month is a holiday. So we could mention that by creating a name for it and the date. Also we could mention Sunday is a week off in every month. So we could capture all the holidays, and this holiday is being particularly used while calculating the MTTR and MTBF of the each breakdown for a particular asset. So in the assets, you could set up the estimated available hours by ignoring this holidays. So once we set up the holiday master, we could mention the estimated available hours. That is, every day we are working 12 hours and we have to ignore the holiday. So here this holiday has been ignored and the calculations will be made for our working hours. So this latest enhancement will be beneficial for all the asset management sectors. Thank you.